The G1190.30 tire changer is equipped with an innovative leverless tool that allows for quick and effortless work, even on ultra-low profile tires. The locking center post with floating plate is suitable for reverse mount rims and offers a self-locking mechanism that reduces operator effort. Tires are protected from excessive forces thanks to the inverter motor with speed limiter that gives the operator precise wheel rotation control. The user-friendly console simplifies the operator's learning process, letting them easily operate the rollers and tools. The double roller bead breaker pushing system makes bead breaking quick and safe, thanks to its two opposed and synchronized discs. The upper mounting head is made of non-scratching material for damage-free work on rims. Get maximum precision with the servo-assisted adjustment of the horizontal arms. A lubrication-free chain and roller system allows for synchronized positioning of all three arms. Other configurations are available to meet all end-user needs. For more information, visit us online.